If you are dealing with psoriasis, then you know it can flare up at any time. In addition to your prescribed medicine, you can use some essential oils for psoriasis treatment. These oils will soothe your itch and make you feel more comfortable. Though essential oils have been helpful in psoriasis, there is not enough scientific evidence. Most essential oils have anti-inflammatory capabilities, so they can give you relief from the itch caused by psoriasis. We will discuss about 3 best essential oils for psoriasis and how to use them for best results. So stay tuned to the end. Psoriasis is an autoimmune condition which generally affects your skin, scalp and nails. Excess sun exposure, viral infections, stress and alcoholism can trigger psoriasis flared up. Following 3 essential oils are good to reduce itch and discomfort caused by the psoriasis of the skin and scalp. 1. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is antimicrobial as well as anti-inflammatory. It is widely used for acne, nail fungus and many other hair and skin conditions. Tea tree oil diluted in coconut oil, which is also anti-inflammatory, can reduce itch caused by psoriasis. Mix equal amounts of tea tree oil and coconut oil and apply with cotton swab on the psoriasis rashes 2 to 3 times daily. 2. Lavender Essential Oil. Lavender oil is one of the most researched essential oils. It helps ease up your psoriasis discomfort by reducing stress. If stress has triggered your psoriasis, then try applying lavender oil diluted in coconut oil to your temples. Add 5 to 10 drops of lavender oil in a teaspoon of coconut oil, mix well and apply on your temples. 3. Peppermint oil for psoriasis. Peppermint oil with anti-inflammatory capabilities is an excellent remedy for reducing itch caused by psoriasis. Add 10 drops of peppermint oil in a cup of distilled water. Mix well and fill it in a spray bottle. Spritz on the affected itchy skin for quick and lasting relief from the itch. Remember that essential oils are highly concentrated plant extracts. Undiluted essential oils can burn your skin. It is always better to do a patch test on a small healthy skin area on your hand before using it on the affected skin. Some essential oil may cause allergy to some people. Bottom line is, essential oils can give you relief from psoriasis itch and reduce your discomforts. Use them as supplementary treatment. Consult your doctor before using essential oil. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.